Quick tour of ratchets and sockets. We got a Mac Expert 42-inch breaker bar, Mac Expert half-inch blue handle 24-inch breaker bar, a Mac 3/4 inch 120 tooth ratchet, a Mac Axis 25-inch straight chrome handle 90 tooth, snap-on half-inch flex head 25-inch, 24-inch, whatever, 90 tooth, 18-inch snap-on flex head, a Mac traditional style 20 or 30 tooth 18 or 17, and a 12-inch snap-on straight comfort handle, half, 3/8, and quarter stubbies, a stubby flex head, hard handle pink snap-on, more ratchets, Axis snap-on, Mac Axis ratchet locking flex head 3/8, 13-inch. A bunch of fucking sockets here. We got gray pneumatic 3/4 drive, DeWalt Expert 3/4 drive, yada yada, some Pittsburgh, all snap-on chrome 3/8 deep shallows, metric standard, Capri 3/4 drive extensions, snap-on ball, SAE, Allen's, and Hex, quarter drive snap-on, standard metric, deep shallow, wobblies, metric, Icon screwdriver bits, Expert impact wobblies, Mac half-inch drive up to 1.25 set, got a good deal on those, mid-length 3/8 drive standard snap-ons, standard and deep SAE chrome snap-ons, standard and deep metric snap-ons, and then all these impact sockets, Expert half-inch drive up to 1.5 in the back, Expert 3/8 drive, SAE and metric, shallow and deep, set, quarter drive Expert, shallow and deep, SAE and metric, Wobble Plus quarter drive extensions, an old SK ratchet I want to try to fix, some Carlisle and snap-on wobblies, yada yada yada. I'll show you my extensions. Classic Mac extensions, knurled 3/8, brand new. All other ones are snap-on, locking half-inch drive Mac extensions. That's all my sockets. The end.